Learn colors. Pink, brown, green, yellow, purple, red, blue, orange, yellow, pink, orange, red, blue, green, brown, purple, red, green, purple, yellow, pink, blue, orange, green, orange, red, blue, brown, yellow, purple, pink. This color is red. Let's see the things that are red. Apple, crab, fire engine, strawberry, ladybug, bow. This is the color orange. Let's see the things that are color orange. Orange, carrot, fox, pumpkin, fish, starfish. This is the color yellow. Let's see the things that are yellow. Sun, school bus, lemon, duck, flower, banana. This is the color green. Let's see the things that are green. Leaf, frog, alien, turtle, chameleon, grasshopper. This is the color blue. Let's see the things that are blue. Whale, butterfly, blueberry, bird, balloon, car. This is the color purple. Let's see the things that are purple. Grapes, owl, eggplant, octopus, umbrella, cupcake. This is the color pink. Let's see the things that are pink. Flamingo, bow, sunglasses, pig, flower, ice cream. This is the color brown. Let's see the things that are brown. Bear, guitar, horse, chocolate, basket, ant. This is the color white. Let's see the things that are white. Sheep, rabbit, ghost, cloud, duck, cake. This is the color black. Let's see the things that are black. Bat, spider, black crayon, hat, shoe, sunglasses,